Whew. Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. But before I do that, check this out. As you can see, Yep. Good luck, Bavio. Just a normal day nuke. Okay. So here's what's going down. Vlogering there, look bad. Kamoikim some vloggy or Ullartinarlamo, Trinarama, Sudiatama, and I just forgot about it. At the same time, I want to create some value for you. I'm in a dilemma. I say copper Sudiapoin or the Carpon, I like to suck a moppa, coin, I think I'd stand suck. It debatprogram dan introductiesaakku nipidersuusersorlungu grafikkidersorlungu. So there's that. Taru lommiullormutsuliassat qanorumutsuliassat naat to anything installationarunni qanorumi isinnaartarsu. You probably don't. No one really does anyway. Kisia qanorumi malinnaasarsimaanguit. You probably heard my voice. Niperattusaarsarsimassuat. I'm the guy who does the very deep voice stuff. At the fight out, I guess it doesn't know about the fight out. I do my best. I really do my best. And I still try. I do, but I do try my best to outperform everybody. So there's that. There's something exciting happening. The podcast is taking off. Metrics downloads, but I don't know. I don't really know what's going on there. I'm trying to provide you value. Live. It's live on the podcast. Stitcher, Godaru, iTunes podcast, Salk podcast. Why it's a good idea to listen to podcast. One, you don't know everything. You don't know everything there is to know. Daru shoot it instead for see in YouTube videos of the una. That is on us missing out aside to make me being in a very high quality. So there's that. I'm just the one man. I'm just the one guy. In this journey. She gives me room. She gives me space. She gives me time so that I can do these things in peace. So I can't ask for more. It's the best thing she can give me. Because I'm like and I go to work because I want to be better than I was the day before. So I'm really busy. Trying to maintain a portfolio generally. And I got some exciting things bubbling up. Podcast but it's just a matter of time. At what time and what do we talk about? Because the podcast, it's coming on. nuinnertoimik they're very positive vibe taramraatiukut nipera atornerallataaleriarami and I do a photo shoot raatiumut Facebook imalinnaassamussi koinnerami nunattani paasi isaallu nuissamaarpasipput ulluneqaninnerni so stay tuned for that singasarussuma qangaaliqqullisersorlunga taalu get really creative and do some heavy duty editing qaali taanna sananikuma suliaqarnikuma so now that's a little update. So yeah, I do wear glasses. If you really think about it, I'm a nearsighted, double-sided photographer. Way to go, Jeans. Way to go, Jeans. Thanks, Mom and Dad. And I'm trying to keep myself busy. Subscribers. Now, that's what I like to see. Doing only vlogs. Dino, naroa takutsillataalera ma vlogiliartartarpassuit nerippungaamma llaatiungilikaaqallat taassasut allartisarlutillu like really start this YouTube thing qorittuassanulikaaruarpunga tamaavi ta even you like isinnaarorpatit kisianni alungilarpuut you have something to tell amingaatiqarpunga tamattiinuaaqatingulluta something to inspire by something ilikaaqas fordi vi ved ikke alt om universet at all times though I must not be koffikkarlaatung illaatorlualarsinaatit allapikkorfiarlaatuatorlualarsinaatit so we could share and get better together. That's what I like to see. I gotta get going. Let's do a kiss transition. How about that? Oh, my God. Say, Mama. Oh my God. Oh, that was gay. Anyway. What I with, I know it's a quick update. And I was so absent. Like always.